Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your online business with QuickBooks, detailed guide step by step clearly. To secure your online business with QuickBooks, start by ensuring you have the latest version of the software installed. Update your QuickBooks application regularly to benefit from the latest security patches and features. Enable two-factor authentication for your QuickBooks account. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a verification code in addition to your password. Use strong, unique passwords for your QuickBooks account and all related financial accounts. Consider employing a password manager to help you create and store complex passwords. Limit user access within QuickBooks to only those individuals who absolutely need it. Assign specific roles and permissions based on each user's responsibilities. Regularly review user activities and access levels in QuickBooks to detect any unauthorized changes. Leverage QuickBooks' built-in backup features to create regular backups of your financial data. Store these backups in a secure location, either on a protected local device or a trusted cloud service. Ensure that your computer and any devices used for accessing QuickBooks have reliable antivirus software installed. Keep your operating system and other software updated to protect against vulnerabilities. Educate your staff about security protocols and best practices for handling sensitive financial information. Consider using a secure VPN when accessing QuickBooks from public or unsecured networks. Review your QuickBooks security settings regularly to align with best practices. Audit your financial transactions periodically to identify any discrepancies or unauthorized activities. Respond immediately to any security alerts or suspicious activity detected in your account. Integrate QuickBooks with additional security tools, such as firewalls and intrusion detection systems. Consult with an IT professional if you require tailored security solutions for your online business. Following these steps will significantly enhance the security of your online business with QuickBooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.